Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Acronis step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Acronis official website. On the home page, locate and click on the sign in option at the top right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Since you are new, find and click on the Create an Account link. This will take you to the registration form. Enter your first name in the designated field. Next, type your last name in the required box. Provide a valid email address that you have access to. Create a strong password, ensuring it meets the security criteria outlined. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. Read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Look for any additional options regarding newsletters or promotions and select them if desired. Once everything is filled out correctly, click on the Create Account button. You may now receive a confirmation email from Acronis. Check your inbox for this email and open it. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Acronis login page. Enter your email address and password. Click the Sign In button to access your new account. Congratulations, you are now registered with Acronis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.